YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So today we will be installing the front FD2 J's Racing grille, and I know it's not paint matched. I would need to get it repainted, but before we do that, I have to do my oil change. I've been procrastinating. I've pretty much let it go longer than I had anticipated. With the holidays, birthdays, graduations, vacations, weddings, real life, just it's hard to get stuff done. So yeah, let's get it started. Alright guys, so if you guys are new to the channel, this is my 2008 Honda Civic SI. And yes, I do have the FD2 conversion. It's mostly all OEM, except for the side skirts and the headlights. Still working on that. Yeah, car has over, let's see, 170,000 right now. Plan on doing a whole engine rebuild and stuff like that in the near future. But for right now, we're just kind of enjoying the car and mods here and there. So yeah, if you guys want to see more videos on the car, click on my other videos. And you guys are more than welcome to subscribe if you like the content. Guys, so the oil change is done. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up real quick, get all the stuff out the way, and then we're gonna take this bumper off and install that J's Racing grille. Guys, so I got the bumper off, and as you can see, we have 4 clips on the bottom, as well as I think a couple screws. So here is your OEM FD2 front grille. Still looks really good. A lot of people don't like the smoked chrome. They just black it out, or they get the Mugen one. I like the OEM. It kind of just breaks up the front. Now here is the J's Racing. It does look like the OEM one is bigger, but there's no emblem in the center. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on and see how it looks. crazy. It just gives it like a different profile. I don't know, I kind of like it. I mean, obviously I still love the OEM one, but this kind of gives it like a different dimension and like a new look. I'm actually going to touch up some of these rock chips. So let me do that real quick, and then we'll do some cinematic shots, and then I'll come back with some final thoughts. Guys, so that is gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Something real simple, nothing too crazy, but it's amazing what just one grill or one piece or one modification does to the car. Let me know down in the comment section down below if you guys like this mod, if you guys like the OEM one better, or if you have a different one that you think is better than both of these. I'd really like to hear you guys' comments. Also, comment down below what you guys are working on. And yeah, subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.